This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit.
Hyderabad, Noida and Chennai, three more cities lined up for some great investments in property. Let's begin with Noida. Sanjeev Seth joins us on the phone line. Hi Sanjeev, go ahead with your question.
Good evening, ma'am. Thanks for taking my question. First of all, I'd like to tell you guys you are a real blessing in disguise for all of us who have nowhere else to turn to for advice. Okay. Now, just a little background before you find my question odd. I'm an army officer. I'm due to retire in about 4 years from now. We have already picked up a property for our end use in the 80 years so Greater Noida. Now, I know you cannot float by Greater Noida, but that is for end use, and like you always say in the program, end use property should be bought with wherever you fall in love with it. So my wife and I picked up that property. Now, after that, left over the sum of about 45 odd lakh rupees, which I want to invest, purely in investment form. Okay. Now, that leaves me with two parts to this question of mine. One is whether I should pick up 2 BHK or whether I should pick up a studio apartment or maybe 2 small studio apartments. And the second part of the question is, I had shortlisted a few properties like 137, Sector 137 Paras Tierra, 143 Bravo Sikka Karnam, 78 Misikpa Karmik, and 37B of Gurgaon, BPTP Space Show. Now I just need your advice from all this. Thanks for taking my question.
All right, Dr. Sanjeev Seth, you're retiring from the army, as I can see, in 4 years. So it's a really big burden. We have to make sure that we give you the absolutely right advice, because this is the kitty that you want to invest. So 45 lakhs, so 1 2-bedroom apartment or 2 studio apartments. I mean, wouldn't the churn be better in a 2-bedroom apartment?
You're absolutely right. It is much more easier to even sell it out eventually. Renting it out
because
is also...
families will live in it. Studio apartments then are always a challenge. Correct. Because the market and segment is so much smaller.
And why you do a studio apartment is because somewhere you have a constraint of not actually optimizing a space. So when you are getting a
like
2-bedroom...
Mumbai and Tokyo.
Yes. So you can perhaps look at that. And the number of choices that he has shortlisted are quite interesting. So I'll come directly to the specific queries he has. There's nothing really wrong with the, first I'll come with the order of nullifying. So BPTP Space Show in Sector 37D as a project is very good. It's a brilliant developer. The only challenge, however, becomes Sector...
Brilliant developer?
I mean, they've done some good projects as well.
Please.
They've done some good projects.
They've done some good projects, but the list of complaints against them is also very huge.
I mean, if you look at from a real estate in totality, I mean, from median point of view, you can't say they're really low the median.
Okay,
so I'll put it that.
At least on delivery, they're fine.
They're fine.
Okay.
So coming to the specific, sector, Sector 37D has an infrastructure bottleneck. I think that is one of the reasons we won't like to recommend this sector, hence the project. What we like is the other options that you've looked, and we'll perhaps give you a better idea of that as well. So first, a quick snapshot of the micro market. This is Noida Expressway consisting of sectors 93 to 129, 133 to 134, 135, 137 and 168. This is about 25 projects in totality, has more than 22,000 units, inventory overhang at a very reasonable of 10 months, available units are just about 1,005. I think one of the most healthiest markets in India at the moment. This is trading at about 4,522 rupees per square feet in the mid segment. A typical 2 BHK would be about 995 square feet. So giving options to you now, the first option that we have is a project called Karmik Greens from Sikka Group in Sector 78.
That's something he shortlisted. So that's a thumbs up?
So it's a thumbs up from our side. It's a good project. It's also in a very vibrant micro market. It's very well poised, so he can perhaps look into it. This should get completed by 2014. So his risk is also fairly mitigated. The second project that he has shortlisted, again wants a view, is a project called Karnam Greens from again Sikka Group. This also receives a thumbs up from our side. One, because it is almost sold out, virtually sold out, and you will get it only from the resale market. So it's a good bet you can put your money on. It has about 1200 units, so it's a large project size. So you'll get that ambience of staying in a community. The third project which he has in mind is a project called Criteria from Paras Buildtech. It's in sector 137. In order of priority, it's also number 3. It has about 2600 units. It will get completed again in phases. Phase 1 should get completed by 2030. Phase 2 or maybe a year later, that is next year. And the fourth project that he has in mind, project is fine, but the micro market is not recommended by us at the moment, so nothing on that at the moment. We have one more recommendation for you, but before I come to that, just to give an idea about price appreciation trend in this part of Noida, it has been about 36% in absolute price increase. One recommendation that we have for you in sector 168 is a project called Lotus Zinc 2 from the 3C company, a very good developer. It is trading at about 4600 rupees a square feet. This project has appreciated quite significantly. It should get completed by next year. It's virtually sold out, so you will only get options in the resale market. So apart from the 3 options that you have in mind in Noida, this is the 4th option you can perhaps see. Just go and have a look at the site. Feel with your family, whichever one you like, you can please go ahead. It's a thumbs up.
Okay, Sanjeev, so I'm just going to sum it up. There's only one project which we are saying don't go for it because there are infrastructure bottlenecks. 3 other projects that you have are good to go, and there's one more, that's Lotus Zinc. Okay, we're going to be back in just a moment. We'll try and cover 1 or 2 more cities if we can, and of course bring you some interesting stories as well.